Away they go. Gold Spear, Manly, Friendly Venture, Andorra is racing import by Dorelis Magic Key, rushing up Dr. Choice, Northwest Reporter, and Rube Knight is running by Dorel. Three runners fighting up for the lead. Gold Spear, Friendly Venture down on the inside, and on the outside is Manly. Gold Spear is running by Dorel, is Dr. Choice and Andorra. Rounding the far turn, Magic Key, Dr. Choice, Manly, Gold Spear, and here comes Andorra, the favorite, taking the fourth spot. Rounding the far turn, Dr. Choice, Magic Key, and Manly. Andorra getting closer in third by Dorel as they race the last 450. Two runners fighting around for the lead. Dr. Choice, Magic Key, Andorra is on the outside. Now three runners are now fighting around for the lead. Dr. Choice, Magic Key, Andorra rising up from the outside, moves up to take the lead. Andorra, the favorites, now the leader, Dr. Choice. And finally, race 3 belongs to the favorite, number 5, Andorra. Dr. Choice, Magic Key, Manly, and Gold Spear for your Fentafecta.
All right.